This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable save video on TikTok. You can stop others from downloading your TikTok videos. Just follow these 3 steps to do it. First of all, open your TikTok app, go to your profile, tap on this 3-line icon at the top right, settings and privacy, and make your TikTok account private. With a private TikTok account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. And the second step is disable download option. Again, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on downloads, and disable video downloads option. So no one will be able to download your videos and download it to other platform. And the third step is report the user who is downloading your TikTok video. To do that, simply open the profile, then tap on this arrow icon at the top right, tap on report, and all you have to need is just report the account. So that's how you can stop others to download TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.